Valencia, aka JeweJeweBee, and today I have a very special, it's not very special, but it's a pretty special video because I have a super affordable hair routine for a wash and go. And this is special to me because I'm not gonna lie, 99% of my life I have been broke, like to the point where I was in college and I had $2 in my account. So the majority of my life I was being very frugal and didn't have much money to spend on natural hair products. So I gathered some of my long time favorite natural hair products and made a hair routine out of them. These products are really affordable, and just because they're affordable doesn't mean that they're not top-notch. Like, these products are amazing. So if you want a super affordable hair routine for your natural hair, then this is the video for you. And if you want to keep up with me daily, you can follow me on Instagram at JeweJeweBee. And also, if you're new to my channel, then you can hit that subscribe button if you like to see more from me. And also, please give this video a thumbs up if you like it. Let me know if you guys ever tried any of these products and your thoughts about them down below, and let's get into the video. So right here I'm starting with a 3-day-old wash and go, and I like to wash my hair every 3 to 4 days, and this just keeps my hair healthy and allows me to maintain the moisture and definition in my hair. So this swimsuit is from Ashanti Swimwear because I know I'm gonna get a lot of questions about it. So right here, I'm just wetting my hair and rinsing it. And my hair has been growing back so much from my recent haircut. I got it cut by Mono's Hair in New York City, and I'm just so happy with how it's been growing back. And the first step in my hair routine is to cleanse my hair, and I'm taking my Cream of Nature Moisture and Shine Sulfate-Free Shampoo. So I chose this shampoo to include in my affordable hair routine because it's a long time favorite. I've been using it for years, and it's also only $4.98, so it's super affordable, and the whole bottle lasts me like a year. So it's a really great cleanser to have. And then next, after cleansing my scalp, I like to take a little bit more and apply it to my hair because I use silicones and heavy gels and heavy creams. And if I don't cleanse my hair, then I'll have a lot of product buildup, and no one wants white flakes and product all in their hair. So I like to thoroughly cleanse my hair so that I can have a nice fresh wash and go. So after rinsing my hair, I move on to conditioning, and I'm taking my Aussie Miracle. I thought I picked up the Aussie Moist. Right here's when I found out I didn't, but it's the Aussie conditioner. They all are very similar to me. Either way, so I like to take a full palm size amount of that and apply it to half of my hair, and then do the same exact thing to the other side. And this conditioner is one of my long-term favorites. I've been using this forever, and I love it because it works great. It leaves my hair feeling super soft, and it has so much slip for detangling, and also it's only $2.97, so you cannot beat that. So I like to detangle my hair in sections and apply a little bit more conditioner to each section, and then I like to finger detangle my hair from roots to ends. So usually I like to speed through the entire detangling process when I edit my videos, but I wanted you guys to see that I take quite a bit of time just to detangle each section and to make sure that I'm thoroughly removing all the tangles from my hair. And then once I'm done that section, I like to move on to the next section. And I just really take a lot of time to detangle my hair because I don't really like to use brushes or combs too much. I mostly like working with my fingers because I feel like that's the most gentle on my hair and it causes the least amount of breakage. So once I'm done both halves of my hair is left super soft and it feels really moisturized, and then I just like to rinse all of my conditioner out. So FYI, I'm not naked. I do have on a towel. For my leave-in, I'm using my ORS Olive Oil for Naturals leave-in conditioning cream, and I love this product so much because it's so creamy and super thick. It is perfect for my high density thick hair, and another reason I love it is that it's super affordable. It's only $5.99 and it leaves my hair super moisturized and really soft, and it's one of my go-tos for leave-in conditioners. So as you guys can see, I spend quite a bit of time just working the product through my hair, making sure that I coat every single strand, get the product in from roots to tips, and this leaves my hair feeling, as I said, really soft. And once I'm done, I have quite a bit of whiteness on my hair, but I like to air dry so it will naturally just disappear. So now I'm going to part my hair into a side part and style my edges using my Eco Style Crystal Gel. And this jar is $2.99, and I'm not going to go into detail about Eco Style because you guys already know how much I'm obsessed with it, but it's bomb.com. After smoothing my hair a bit with a rat tail comb, I'm going to take a little bit more of the gel and apply it to my bangs because those poof up the fastest. And then next I'm going to take a tad bit more just to coat my hands and apply this to my hair, mostly focusing on the top of my hair just to give it a little bit more hold and definition. But make sure that you don't apply too much or else you might get some flakiness. And then after setting my edges, I'm just going to air dry for a few hours. The very last step is to pick my hair out, and once I'm done, I'm left with really soft and moisturized, healthy hair. I decided not to stretch out my hair because I wanted it to have as much definition as possible, but as you guys can see, my hair has grown quite a bit. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and let me know if you try it out or if you tried any of these products out down below. I want to hear your thoughts. Again, thank you for watching and for joining me today. I really appreciate it, and I hope you all have a great day. Bye!